Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to redeem Crunchyroll code. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Crunchyroll application on my phone. And this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the home section, you're going to find some suggested animes. If you go to my list, you're going to find all of your saved episodes. There is some lists like the watch list, Crunchy list, and also you can view your history from here. And if you go to the offline section, you can see all of your downloaded animes, but you need to have a premium subscription first. If you go to browse, from here you can browse in this list for any anime that you like. And if you go to simulcast, from here you're gonna find some simulcast season animes. So what you need to do, guys, in order to redeem Crunchyroll codes is going to account. So once you're here in the account section, you're gonna find all of the settings related to your account. And in order to redeem the Crunchyroll code, just click on redeem promo code under change password. Once you click on redeem promo code, they're gonna take you to Play Store or to App Store depending on which phone you have. And all you need to do, guys, right now is enter the code right here. Or you can also scan the gift card with your camera. Once you type the code, go ahead and click on redeem. And then you will be redeeming your Crunchyroll code. As you can see, guys, in my case, it didn't work because I don't have a code. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.